What we're going to talk about here is ways to help get your list to explode. Not actually explode, but get your membership subscriber list to just really take off. And a couple of things that you can do really that are exponentially beneficial. Let affiliates give away trial offers. This is something that's real nice that you can do inside of ClickBank and the membership script. But you can even pay people, pay them $1, pay them $5 for a trial subscription if they'll get people to sign up. And in the long term, that'll work out really good for you. But really, it's a nice thing if a lot of affiliates, if you just tell them, maybe in their products, they can feature a free 30-day trial to your membership as a bonus. And that's something that's really, it's beneficial to you and them. You get subscribers, and then it's your job, to keep them, and then they get something additional of value that they can offer to their either their subscribers or their people that purchase their products. Here's what happens. Somebody goes and buys a product in a certain niche, and then they get access, a free subscription to your offer. So they go there, they sign up, they use, whatever coupon or something to get subscribed. And then the next month, they're going to be billed automatically. So if they hang out, they're going to get billed. Okay. After 30 days, they get automatically billed if they don't cancel. And then you, actually, the affiliate, is going to get paid from the first month's billing. So you actually don't get paid until day 60, until they hang out for the third month. That is just one model. You don't have to do it this way. In fact, what I do, which I have had a lot of success with, is I pay affiliates on a recurring basis. So they will get, it means they get paid a lot. But they really, the affiliates love that. And that gives them more incentive to go out and, really hustle to get people to subscribe. But you can work out an arrangement where you're just going to give them 100% of the money for the first paid month. So they promote your free giveaway, and the people stay, and then at the end of the 30 days, they get billed again. The affiliate gets that money, and then at the 60th day, you're going to get your money. And if you've done your job and your retention's good, it's a win-win situation for everybody. Here we're talking about swapping offers. You can provide a reciprocal offer with another membership site, where you sign up people, you offer a free month to my subscription, and I'll offer a free month to yours. And if it's something that's complementary, it'll benefit the members. It's not just the same kind of stuff, but it's complementary, maybe a different twist. Your website handles something a little bit different than theirs does. Then that's a win-win situation for everybody, because the customer gets access to something that it will be beneficial to them that they wouldn't normally have, and you get additional members and they get additional members. So it's kind of like a cross promotion. When someone signs up for your offer, you give them a free 30-day trial to another membership site. That's another excellent solution, and you have that thing working out for them as well. So when someone signs up for their membership site, they give a free 30-day trial to your membership site. Okay, so they do the same for you. It's like a back and forth thing. You scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. And listen, I want to mention, today in internet marketing, folks, we got to take care of each other. It's not just all let's beat out everybody and be the best internet marketer. There's some real serious stuff going on in the industry, really, that encompasses all of us, and we got to pull together. And you see this in a lot of industries. Once they mature, the big players realize that if they don't work together, they're going to just kill each other. And that's what we don't want to do. We want to learn to band together and work on this in something that's going to be a mutually profitable solution for all of us. Let's take a look at how the list grows and what you can expect, so I don't want you to get discouraged. With one affiliate working for you, let's say that they get you 2 signups a day. One's going to quit, and then after 30 days, you would have 30 members because half of those quit. Now, that is a ridiculous number. Okay, I have not found that to be the case with my membership sites. But And in fact, in the first 30 days, I'm looking at maybe a 3% dropout. Okay, but let's say that happens on a consistent basis. With 10 affiliates, what's going to happen? 20 new signups a day, 10 quit. After 30 days, I got 300 members. After 60 days, I'm going to have 600 members. Let me do something for you here. This is the power of membership sites. After 60 days, 600 members times, let's do $30. $18,000, folks. And even if you had to split that, let's divide it by 2. Let's say that you have to split that with your affiliate, so you only get half of it. That's $9,000. I want to be very fair and not, present to you some that doesn't have the hidden stuff revealed, right? $9,000. I just launched a membership site, if I could say it correctly, that has 400 members, and I charge $47 a month. In 2 weeks, I got those 400 members. So what do you think about that? I mean, it's a real deal. And that's with, granted, this is with, I would say, 75% of those 400 are affiliates sent those. Okay? And the other 25% are, I get the full membership dues because I sent those myself. Okay? Now, that's where this is going. The number of members that you get, you will reach a point that it's like, okay, I'm ready to quit my day job. And it's not that many members, really. If, let's say 300 members times 30, that's $9,000. I know people right now that would love to be making $9,000 a month. And that's at 300 members. That's not, cut it in half, and that's 150 members, $4,500 a month. There's a lot of people that would love to make $4,500 a month. I mean, right now, think about this. What would it take if because I realize I'm dealing with a lot of different people. There are some people that are good internet marketers and they just never done a membership site, and they might be interested in this course, right? There are some people that are beginners and they've never done anything online. If that is you, think about what it would take for you to quit your job. Okay, how much money would you want to be able to quit your job and still be comfortable and making the same or better money and doing what you want to do and working from home? Okay, if that's $4,000, sorry. If that's $4,000, which a lot of people, aren't even making that much money, divide it by, whatever, how much you want to charge. What is it worth? If it's worth $25, then that's how many members you got to have every month, 160. And it's going to be growing. 160 members is nothing. I mean, you can do a pay-per-click campaign and get that in a weekend probably. And that's not very difficult to do at all. So this is where it's at. Membership sites charging residual, recurring every month, and then you provide new content for them. You spend your month, managing. Maybe, like typically what I do is I'll spend some time in the morning going through the administrative stuff. I'll have somebody maybe taking care of technical support. I outsource that. I don't deal with it myself. And I can focus on creating content. I can focus on playing racquetball and going flying in my new airplane. That's what I love. So that's it. Thanks so much for joining me. I sincerely hope that, like I said, if I can help one person quit their job and set one of these sites up, then I'll feel like I did my job.